Attorney General for India KK Venugopal has declined to grant consent for the initiating contempt proceedings against journalist Rajdeep Sardesai over his tweets critiquing the court's sentencing verdict in the Prashant Bhushan case and other tweets concerning the judiciary. Referring to 5 tweets by Sardesai pinpointed by the complainant, Astha Khurana, AG Venugopal had said, "I find that the statement made by Sardesai is not so serious a nature as to undermine the majesty of the Supreme Court or lower its stature in the minds of the public. The reputations of the Supreme Court as one of the greatest pillars of our democracy has been built assiduously over the last 70 years. Trifling remarks and mere passing criticism through perhaps distasteful are unlikely to tarnish the image of the institutions." Attorney General KK Venugopal in his complaint, Khurana, through advocate on record Om Prakash Parihar and Dushyant Tiwari has stated that the tweets critiquing the apex court verdict in the Bhushan's contempt case was nothing but a cheap publicity stunt. According to the complainant, the tweets incited a feeling of no confidence in the mind of the people about the courts and scandalizes the court. The complainant had already called Sardesai a habitual contender. Khurana therefore sought initiation contempt proceedings under Section 21C of the Contempt of the Courts Act 1971 for Sardesai's willful disobedience of the court order and judgment. However, AG Venugopal had now declined to grant the consent sought for the initiation of criminal contempt proceedings against Sardesai, stating, "I do not find any warrant for initiations of proceedings of the criminal contempt. I accordingly decline consent."